So this is the theme that I currently have on my phone. That is the name and that is the creator. This is a free phone theme and I will be showing you guys in depth on how it looks. So this is pretty much the home screen. It's so cute with all the hearts. Very appropriate for Valentine's Day and February month. So I enjoy the super cute details and I love the all pink. Literally all pink, hot pink, and this is how the other icons look like, just super pink, and I'll show you guys. So cute, really girly. I enjoy how girly it is, so pretty. I also I'm going to show you guys the messages. These are the messages and this is how the keyboard looks like. It's just super pink, light pink, hot pink, really pretty, and that's how it looks like when you type. Now I'm going to show you guys the lock screen. So the lock screen is just pretty much the words love and it's just pink. So now we're going to glam this up by adding a wallpaper. So this is the wallpaper that I have for this theme. It's so fitting because it says Happy Valentine's Day down here, and then it has the little twin stars and a bunch of little treats. We have donuts, cupcakes, gifts, and they're on a cloud with like little hearts in the background. So this is going to be our home screen image. I just wanted it kind of simple, so it's fitting for the little twin stars because there's like clouds and just pink. It's really pastel, so I really like that, and I feel like that's going to be a really cute balance with the hearts icons, as you guys could see. So I'm just going to apply them and show you guys. So that is the preview right here. As you guys could see, I feel like this just looks really cute and really put together because of the hearts, and then you can tell it's like a pairing with like the little twin stars image because of the clouds. So I'm just going to set that as my wallpaper. And then here is the lock screen. I just think this is adorable and super perfect, so I'm going to apply that. And here we are. So here is my home screen. So pretty. I love it. I think this looks super adorable, super cute. I love it. And now for my lock screen. This is how it looks like. Look at the cuteness overload. I love this image, and I love how cute it makes my phone look. It's really pretty, and I think you guys would love this on your phone as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the wallpapers and the phone theme. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!